So we are taking a look on Chiredzi Town Council elections. There were council elections in Chiredzi where ZANU-PF and Triple C councillors were clashing, seeking the election of the mayor, not the mayor, the chairperson and the deputy chairperson of Chiredzi Town Council. So what is happening is that Chiredzi Town Council had 5 from Triple C and also 5 from ZANU-PF. That is how it looks like they're in Chiredzi, and they held their elections, and Triple C candidate won the chairmanship. And this is a ZANU-PF candidate who is crying here, actually crying after being defeated, after losing this election to be the chairperson of the town council. Something which is so embarrassing. How can somebody cry after losing an election? So tells him, says Chiredzi Town Council Ward 4 Councillor Charles Njopera of ZANU-PF crying after his party lost the council chairmanship seat during the election process. And it said Team Zimbabwe kuti munhu anosvika pakuchema. What were his plans ku Chiredzi Council? That is a very important question, because kuchema kuri kuratidza kuti pane zvisina kufamba zvakanaka, zvausina kufarira according to the plans which you have or which he had as an individual. Individually, he had his own plans, but they failed, and eventually he resorted to crying, something which is so shameful, something which we do not expect to see happening. So an election, you must go to an election expecting to win or to lose. So it can be an issue of having somebody crying for such a position. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. That is a ZANU-PF candidate crying after losing the chairmanship of Chiredzi Town Council. Maybe angaudzgonzi kana ukasanowina ikoko trikuya chekupedzera. It happens as well. Okay, so the man was planning on looting and he knows zvavarwa hapana chinobuda. Okay, maybe just imagine pamwe unenge watoenda kun'anga kana kunodidi wotunobvisa mombe wobva warakashwa. Okay, zvikanzi rerun, zvikanzi koadii kuzviuraya. Okay, hatikurudzire vanhu kuti vange vachizviuraya. Zvikanzi anopenga uyu, anzi shameful, anzi aizve zvikanzi okay, zvikanzi you rigged the election, we need a fresh one. Okay, and the Panapa and other people. Okay, this was probably one of the last comments. Okay, zvikanzi vanhu vezanu vane drama. Okay, and the ZANU useless political party. Okay, and the zvotorwadza kujiwa nayo kokuzoti isu akabirwa. Yeah, so it's a sign of things to come. They will never win where there is no Zexim. Okay, Shkanzi, what's the vote like? How many councillors does each party have? Okay, Shkanzi, come on guys, where are the tears? Msadaro wangu maane. Zikuda kuba. Okay, sorry ako ndai wachinja paka nzinjopera apo waisa mnanga gwendo master kudi wakuzana. Shaita. Okay. Anzi kuchemera kuita corruption. And I have taken note of your question so that I can respond with a well thought out answer later. This is a real problem that we must solve. Okay, this is another issue which is being raised here. And they promise these relatives jobs, tenders, and spend some of the money in advance. I'm sure of that. Okay, so this is what is happening to Zimbabwe. A ZANU-PF councillor in the name of Njopera lost the election to be the chairperson of Chiredzi Town Council, and he was pictured here crying, and this is the picture which is right here onto the screen. So this is what we have for you tonight. Let us meet in other episodes and other progress.